Welcome back. In this lecture, we will get hands-on with the Pandas series object. We'll demonstrate how to create a series from various standard Python structures and explore how to access individual elements using the default integer index. 1. Creating series from Python objects. There is a way to create a series is by passing a data structure into the pd.series constructor. When passed a Python list or a number.py array, Pandas uses the data and automatically assigns a default numeric index, starting at 0. Notice how the dtype is inferred from the input data. Two. Series from a scalar value. You can also create a series from a single scalar value. However, you must explicitly provide an index to tell Pandas how many times to repeat that value. Here, we pass the scalar 5 and an index list of length 5, resulting in a series where all 5 values are equal to 5. 3. Accessing elements by index. You access elements in a series using the square bracket notation, similar to accessing items in a list. When using the default index, you pass the numeric position. For the series with values 10, 20, 30, passing 0 returns 10, and passing 2 returns 30. To summarize, creating a series is straightforward. Next, we will explore the real benefit of the series, using custom meaningful index labels. Our next lecture 36.05. Use custom indices. See you there.